Hey everyone, welcome back to FinTune. Today, we're diving into something that sounds super technical, but trust me, it's one of the most powerful financial concepts you'll ever learn. Compounding interest. Sounds boring? Stick around for a couple of minutes and I'll show you how this simple concept can make your money grow like crazy. Ever heard the saying, the most powerful force in the universe is compound interest? That's from Albert Einstein. If it's good enough for Einstein, it's worth paying attention to. In fact, compounding interest could be the key to your financial freedom. So let's break it down in a way that makes sense, and maybe even makes you a little bit richer. First things first, what is compound interest? In simple terms, it's when the interest you earn on your savings or investments starts earning interest too. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. The more it rolls, the bigger it gets. With compounding, the longer you let your money grow, the faster it builds up. Here's a quick comparison. Let's say you invest $1,000 at 5% interest for 10 years. With simple interest, you'd only earn interest on your initial $1,000, so you'd have $1,500 after 10 years. But with compound interest, you're earning interest on your interest. That same $1,000 would grow to around $1,628, and that's just the beginning. So, how exactly does it work? Compounding happens in cycles, monthly, quarterly, or annually. The more often the interest compounds, the faster your money grows. But here's the secret. Time is your best friend. The longer you let your money sit and compound, the bigger the growth. Here's a question for you. Would you rather have $1 million today or one penny that doubles every day for a month? Think about it. I'll reveal the answer at the end of this video, and trust me, you might be surprised. Let's see this in action with some real-world examples. Say you start with $100 and invest it at 10% interest compounded annually. After 30 years, you wouldn't just have a few $100, you'd have over $1,700. And if you keep contributing regularly, you're talking about serious wealth over time. Now, here's the part most people miss. The earlier you start, the better. Even if you start small, time can make your money grow exponentially. Want to retire with $1 million? Starting in your 20s gives you a massive advantage. But what if you don't have much to invest right now? That's okay. Even small, consistent investments can add up thanks to the magic of compounding. It's not about how much you start with, it's about getting started and staying consistent. A quick tip. While compounding works best over time, you need to avoid withdrawing your money too soon. Every time you cash out early, you interrupt the compounding process, and your money loses its growth potential. So keep that in mind. Alright, remember that question earlier? Would you rather have $1 million today or a penny that doubles every day for a month? Well, if you chose the penny, congratulations. At the end of 30 days, that tiny penny would grow to over $5 million thanks to the magic of compounding. So, whether you're saving for retirement, a big purchase, or just building your wealth, compounding interest can make a massive difference. Start now, stay patient, and watch your money grow. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.